What if I told you there's an AI tool that's literally paying people in Europe every single day, even if they have zero experience, zero skills, and never talked to a single client? Sounds impossible? Well, in 2025, not only is it possible, it's already happening. And today, you'll see how. The tool I'm talking about is Pictory AI, and smart creators across the UK, Germany, and France are using it to generate short, faceless videos and earn passive income every day. Here's the exact method. They go to Pictory.ai, log in, and paste a script, often written by ChatGPT, into the platform. Pictory instantly converts that into a full HD video with royalty-free clips, captions, and voiceover. Now here's the trick. They upload these videos to YouTube Shorts or TikTok around specific trending topics like AI tools, side hustles, or productivity hacks. These short videos often get 10K, 50K views, sometimes overnight. Why? Because the algorithm favors fast, engaging, informative content, and AI makes it easy to produce at scale. Let me give you a real-life example. A creator in Spain started a faceless YouTube channel using Pictory in January. By March, they crossed 1 million views and earned over €800 from ad revenue and affiliate links. And guess what? They never showed their face, never hired a team, never edited a single frame manually. All they did was use smart tools, smartly. You don't need to be an editor, speaker, or YouTube expert anymore. You just need this formula. Script, ChatGPT, video, Pictory, upload, YouTube equals daily income. And once your channel is monetized, every new video becomes a mini income stream. It's not just side hustle. It's a silent machine that works 24/7, even while you sleep. So if you're in Europe and still wondering how to start making money online, this is your sign. You don't need a boss. You don't need a degree. You just need to start. Drop a comment below. Would you try Pictory to make your first faceless YouTube channel? Like this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Here at Next Gen AI Hustle, we turn smart tools into smarter income every week. See you in the next video. Hustle smart, not hard.